Hey guys, it's me Yuki. Now the 7 super glamorous band is the Mischevious blank. So let's go in the video. I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna land. Okay, that's nice. I'm going to sleep. Stop. I'm hungry. I'm go downstairs and get some food. Yummy. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What? Oh my gosh. Why is it on my food? I'm just gonna do my homework, I guess. There it is. Wait. What? How this even possible? Duh. I'm just gonna mold the lawns. What's that noise? The alarm clock again. Oh! That's it. Wait. Again? Oh goodness. So that was my video on 7 super glamorous bands. So hope you guys enjoy my video. So guys, see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Comment down below. And was there a mischievous in your life? Comment down below. Bye.